Hi, tomatoes! I'm still cooking my way through my grandma's 1950 Betty Crocker Picture Cookbook, and today we're on the pie chapter, and we're making butterscotch pie. Look at this pie chapter. It says, pie is as American as the 4th of July. Through those first lean and hungry years in New England and Virginia, courageous pioneer mothers contrived pies out of the few simple foods at hand. Do you think they looked just like these? That one's very green. Here are some tips, easy as pie. First of all, read through the recipe, assemble ingredients, assemble utensils, preheat your oven, and sift flour and measure shortening. Butterscotch pie falls into the cream and fluff category. They say it's glossy smooth with true butterscotchy flavor. This is done in a blind-baked shell, and to make the filling, you're going to melt butter in a skillet, add brown sugar, and once that is foamy, you're going to stir in a cup of boiling water, remove it from the heat. In a separate saucepan, mix together cornstarch, flour, and salt, and then stir in milk. Stir in that brown sugar mixture you were initially working on. Cook it over low heat until it's boiling. Temper some egg yolks. Stir the egg yolks into the hot mixture. Boil it for a minute. Remove it from the heat. Add some vanilla. Finally, pour it in the pie shell and chill it until it sets. Top with sweetened whipped cream and serve cold. Hi, here's the pie. They said that you could top it with meringue, but I went with whipped cream because I like that better. Let's taste it. That's really good. It tastes like butterscotch. And whipped cream was a great choice. I would definitely make this one again. Thanks for joining us. Happy cooking. I'm going to eat more pie.